Good morning, Jellians. I just wanted to say thank you for watching my videos, and I wanted to share a little bit more of my studio, just kind of instead of right above the gel plate. I wanted to show you kind of what it actually looks like in real life. So why don't you come on in and we'll take a quick tour. I'm so happy you're here. So let's first go over to my mail desk. I trade artist trading cards, and this holds all the stuff that I use to mail them out to the people I trade with. Stamps, my address stamp, pens and bright colors to write their addresses, envelopes, cards, everything I need. There's some happy mail ready to go out right there. And then below is my hand carved stamps. I have about, I don't know, 250, 300 of them. It's quite the collection. And I got this desk off of Facebook Marketplace. Second owner, I am. It's been in their family for a while. Now coming over to the main art area, we call this our media area because there's also my daughter's piano and guitar stuff. But as you can see, I have some pretty good storage over here in this dresser that I painted and stained myself and replaced the knobs with these little faucet knobs. You better believe it's full of art supplies. Then I got some open shelving that maybe held wine or yarn or something, but I use it for art supplies and jewelry making supplies, and the kids' crafts are on the lower shelves so they can reach it. I also painted that piece. It's very heavy. All right, coming around to the other side of the studio is my desk. This is where all the magic happens right now. There's a few things I do at the couch, but this is where I do my gel printing. I just got this desk on Facebook. I got the chairs online, new. I love them. This desk makes it where everything's reachable within arm's reach in the drawers, on the shelves. The back of the desk flew off when we were bringing it home. So I improvised, and this is just a cheapo mirror, long mirror that I had in the closet, that I put that vinyl on. Coming around here is a smaller desk that I don't really use myself, but it's there in case I have a guest artist or my kid that wants to do something next to me. So I set it up that way. Also a marketplace find, which I love. And this is just some little wire shelves that I got to hold my bins. These bins are little project bins that I carry over to the couch to work on there. So I wanted somewhere just to stick them, and this worked out really nicely. All right, and coming back to my workspace where the gel printing happens, which is where most of my videos so far are taking place. And now we're back to the gel plate. Look at this piece of cardboard I got. Can't wait to try it out on the press. Let's just see what I come up with today. I love my neon colors. Oh, it's 100. It's for my 100 subscribers, which happened since my last video. So thank you very much. This has been so fun, and I hope to keep sharing with you guys. And I will do a giveaway at 200 subscribers. So definitely share with your friends, and you could be entered into the giveaway. Of course, it will be some gel prints. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.